Aming for today. Ayan. Mag-ribs time daw kami. Oh, laway sa mga taong maglaway dyan. Bahala kayo dyan.
Spare ribs is the real kamo.
Ayan, guys. So, this is our barbecue fish na no skin. Ay, no skin. Walang kaliskis. Kaya pag tanggal, bungkag. Ayan, sunog. Mr. Laham, ay, talaga namang hinaway eh. Oh, diba? Look at that! How amazing! Ribs. Nyam. Gutom. Sa mga taong gutom, laway na lang kayo dyan, ha? Sarap ng aming for today. With Ipon New Year 2024 for the new resolution. New, weather lang. Life is weather lang. No hater. No basher. Ayan! Like that. Happy lang life namin din eh. Oh. Mabubuo ko man talaga tong 8 minutes na to.